Hello everyone, welcome to Shop Smart, the channel where I help you make smart decisions about everyday products. Today, we're doing a full review of the YMXA Mini Laundry Machine 16L, foldable portable laundry machine and spinner. If you're considering buying a portable washing machine for travel, dorms, or even daily use in a small home, this video is for you. I've compiled all the available information on this product to answer the big questions. Is it good? Is it worth it? Oh, and the product link is in the description below. Check it out for more details. If you enjoy honest reviews like this, subscribe to the channel right now. It'll help me bring more useful content to you and the whole community. Let's dive in. Imagine this. After a long, busy day, you need to wash those underwear, socks, or baby clothes. But hand washing is exhausting, and using a big machine wastes water and electricity. That's where the YMXA Mini Laundry Machine 16L comes in. This portable and foldable machine has a compact design with dimensions of just 8 inches deep by 13 wide and 13 high, weighing only 6.18 pounds, making it perfect for storing in any corner or packing in your luggage for trips, camping, or dorm life. Let's get into the details of this review. It has a generous 16L capacity per day, allowing you to wash multiple small items at once like underwear, socks, or baby clothes, keeping everything separate from larger loads for better hygiene. The access is front load with a stainless steel finish and materials made of non-toxic eco-friendly plastic, ensuring durability and safety for everyday use. The wash cycles include options like baby wear for delicate fabrics, quick wash, sanitary for sanitizing, speed wash, and spin. It's easy to operate with push-button controls, a quick 3-minute spin, 5-minute speed wash, or 10-minute standard wash. It runs on 12 volts with a max speed of 1200 RPM, and it's super efficient, reducing vibration and noise to just 30 decibels, ideal for not disturbing anyone in small spaces. Plus, as a mini lavadora and secadora portátil, it does spin dry in just 2 to 3 minutes, leaving your clothes clean and nearly dry. And the best part? It saves water and energy on every cycle, which is great for anyone looking to be more sustainable without losing performance. Now, talking about the strong points in this review, the versatility is impressive. Whether at home, on a road trip, in a dorm, or camping outdoors, this portable washer adapts to multiple scenarios. User reviews are excellent, 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 82 reviews on Amazon, and it ranks number 3 in portable clothes washing machines and number 62 in appliances. It comes with a drain hose included and has a 2-year warranty plus Amazon's 30-day return policy. If this is helping you decide, give the video a like right now. It's a simple way to support the channel and motivate me to make more reviews like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it to not miss out on future analyses that will help you shop smart. But as in any honest review, let's think about the limitations. This machine is focused on small, delicate items, so don't expect to wash large loads. It's a mini washer after all. The main material is plastic, which makes it lightweight, but it might not be as robust as larger models. And it operates in fully automatic mode with simple controls, which is practical, but without super advanced options like in full-size washers. So getting back to the questions from the title, is it good? Yes, based on the specs and reviews, it seems like a great option for anyone needing a compact, hygienic, and efficient solution for washing light items without wasting resources. Is it worth it? At $69.99 in gray, it definitely is for students, travelers, or parents who want to keep baby clothes separate and clean. It's a practical tool that solves real everyday problems. Remember, the product link is in the description below. If you decide to buy through it, it really helps support my work here on YouTube, allowing me to keep bringing impartial reviews like this. Thanks for watching all the way through. Subscribe to Shop Smart for more tips that will save you time and money. Leave a comment below. Would you use a machine like this? See you in the next video.